this afternoon I am very
Class 1 to class 8.
No, it is better. After it's finished, there is no waiting. It will give you for second water. But if you want to continue, that you need more water, you have to pay.
How does it taste?
Class 1 to class 8 boys. Class 1 to class 8.
Rainwater harvesting integrated with solar pump system and solar support to the computer lab with a battery. And this is indeed the need of a time when all the students need to have in a school, and they definitely will be benefiting in day-to-day life. This is a process of learning. A young mind who would be privileged to go through this different system through which they will be ignited in their life to do something greater than this. So this is a hand-on experience learning that opportunity is given to us, and therefore we are very much grateful to NB Institute of Technology for Rural Development, who has been very, very kind to us. And therefore, in the person of Dr. S.P. Gon Chowdhury, the President and the Scientist of NB Institute for Rural Development, we like to welcome him with a flower bouquet and Risa. Therefore,